Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Ford Mustang GT Premium Convertible in candy red metallic on black leather interior. So I'll just start over the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look at the trunk area. So nice size trunk here on the Mustang. This one has the car cover here. It's got a battery charger that's connected to the front battery. This one is fully built, so it's got quite an extensive list of receipts, as you can see. Full documentation for the build. We'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid here. It's got the nice large spoiler here on the back, the whale tail. It's got the matte black stripes that go up and over. It's got the stylus bar there and also the wind deflector on the back seat. We've got nice LED tail lights. We've got reverse camera. We've got parking sensors in the rear bumper. We've got the rear lower diffuser there. And we've got nice black chrome looking Borla exhaust on here as well. So we'll just shift around this side. I'll show you the rear wheel. It's got the nice upgraded American racing style wheels. So the black on the center with the silver ring around the outside. We've got nice Mickey Thompson tires on there. And then we also have the striping that runs along there. And there's also a rear mud flap piece there and diffuser along the bottom. Over the passenger side, there's lots of chrome upgrades, as you can see there. We've got the aluminum billet and with chrome surround there with the 5-liter logo. We've got power windows, power locks, and chrome around the speaker surround as well. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's illuminated, as you can see. Condition-wise, it's in really good shape. I see one little tiny mark inside right there. I don't know if you can see that. I'll just zoom. Hard to see. Yeah, so just a tiny little mark on the inside. And then on the seat, we've got a manual recline with the nice billet handle, chrome button cap for the power seat, so power 4 aft, up, down. We've got the nice floor liners there and the diamond check, looks good. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Awesome, and we'll pull this forward so you can have a look here in the back. So in the back, it's got the nice checkered floor mats as well. The seat condition is nice, and as you can see, we've got the wind deflector there as well. So we'll put this to the back, and as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. Check the glove box here. So there's a USB port here for the upgraded stereo. We've got the wheel lock keys there, and no books with this one. On the dash, we've got the Supercharged logo here, and I'll just show you the rest of the dash so you can see the condition. Looks good, so we'll hop out and we'll close this side up. It's also got heated mirrors and the convex mirror there in the corner. So I'll just step to the back of this vehicle and we'll move along this side so you can see the condition. Love the matte black stripes with the GT logoing. We've got a 5-liter Coyote V8 badge in here on the front fender. And here's your front wheels. So again, the nice American racing style wheels. Mickey Thompson tires. It's got upgraded brakes, so large Brembo brakes on there as well. And we'll just shift around the front. So under the hood, we've got the V8 5-liter motor, which has been supercharged paired to a manual transmission. It's been dynoed at 676 horsepower to the rear wheels. So lots of power, lots of fun to be had. You can see it's got the Coyote strut tower race. We've got the Moromoso battery cover, fuse box cover, Moromoto tank for the coolant. We've got a nice ram air intake, fuel gauge, so that's a fuel pressure gauge there, and I'll just show you in there. So Whipple, here I'll just zoom so you can see that, Whipple supercharger, so very nice. The hood's been upgraded but to a Cervini hood. It's got the Cervini hood struts there on either side as well. So the hood is fiberglass. And we'll just go ahead, we'll close that, let you have a look from the front. So as you can see, it's got the nice raise to the hood and nice matte black stripes that go up and over as well. We've got the chrome pony. We've got some diffusers there on the headlights even, very neat. It's got projector, HID headlights, LED daytime running lights. We've got fog lights below. It's got the nice front lip spoiler. It's in good shape as well, as you can see. In terms of condition, I'll just have a close look here, see if there's anything to point out. The hood looks to be in really good shape. So yeah, nothing I'm really seeing to point out. So That's great. Not to say there isn't some small thing there, but I'm looking pretty hard and I don't see anything, so that's great. So we'll continue on. Oh, I'll also point out it's got not sure if it's engraved or if it's a sticker. It doesn't feel like it has an edge, but it's got Lucky 13 there on the windshield. And you can also see the shift light there on the dash and the stripes on the top of the windshield. So here's your other front wheel. So again, we've got the nice Mickey Thompson wheels, the American racing style wheels with the black and the chrome ring around the outside. Nice upgraded Brembo brakes. And here's the rear. Same thing. Great. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So at the driver's side, we've got our power mirrors. We've got the nice chrome finishes there. Nice brushed aluminum finish there on the bottom of the 5-liter. We've got our our windows down here. And I'll just show you the kick plate here on the driver's side. So overall, pretty good condition. I don't see, oh, there's one little scratch there going very light. It's hard to see, but it's there. And then the power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, manual, or excuse me, not power recline, manual recline, and then power lumbar. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. And I do see one little mark here in the leather. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little scuff there, no big deal. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 20,608. So no warning lights or issues there on the dash. It does have the track apps there built in, gauge mode, so you can change that. Over here, we've got gauges, tuning, and diagnostics in the end gauge right here. So you can click and go through some different settings here. I'm not overly familiar with that, so I won't play with it too much. We've got the shift light up top. Automatic headlights with fog lights. We've got the dash dimmer, and then down here there is a release for the steering wheel, so it does have a tilt wheel. We've got the turn key there. You've got telephone controls, voice command, volume and track change. You've got cruise control and the arrow keys for the dash there. The steering wheel's got a nice baseball stitching around it, looks good. And then we've got an upgraded aftermarket radio. So it's got AM, FM, satellite, CD, auxiliary, AVN. It's got a backup camera. So you can press the button like so. It's got a nice matte finish there on the screen. And let's see, we'll go back, display. There we go, we go back, phone. And let's hit nav. See what that does. So it doesn't look like it has nav, it's just a button that's there. Phone, so you can connect your phone and dial on here, so very neat. And then down below we've got our volume and our tune and our manual climate control, heated seats, and then we've got the shifter, nice short shifter there, the cue ball. We've got the aluminum brake handle, cup holders with illumination in them as well. And then in here, USB auxiliary line in and a 12-volt socket. And there's even a Mustang dinky car in here that comes with it. So that's fabulous. Since this is a convertible, we'll go ahead and put the top up so you can see the operation. So just press the button here. There it is, and we'll just lock it in place. There's one, and here's the other one up here. There it is. Sorry, just difficult with the one hand. So that's it, the top's up, and we'll put the windows up, so rears, fronts. There we go. And now we'll hop out with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. What a machine. So I'll just hop out and I'll show you here with the headlights on. Here it is from the front. What an animal. And we'll just move along this side so you can see the condition. And I'll stop here and I'll just show you the top so there's no rips or tears. Looks good. Nice dark tinted windows. Here it is from the back. Great sound to it. Nice deep note. It's not overly aggressive on idle, which is nice. So just if you get into it there, as you heard, it's got a nice bite bark to it. So very nice car. And there you have it, folks. 2013 Ford Mustang GT Premium with a Whipple supercharger here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.